Quick news update. What's happened is shocking. Apple's supplier Foxconn has begun importing iPhone 17 components into India this month, signaling a major shift in global manufacturing. This move could redefine the tech giant's production strategy for upcoming devices, impacting the industry worldwide. These components, including display assemblies and camera modules, are a fraction of the usual volume, indicating trial production. They represent about 10% of Foxconn's total imports to India in June, primarily for the iPhone 17. The bulk of imports still focuses on iPhone 16 and 14 models. Trial production for the iPhone 17 begins this month, with mass production expected by August, ahead of its September launch. Apple plans to manufacture the iPhone 17 in both India and China simultaneously from day one. This strategy is driven by the United States government's increasing pressure to shift production out of China. India is quickly emerging as a strategic export hub for Apple, particularly for the United States market. iPhone exports from India to the US saw an incredible 219% year-on-year growth this March. This signals a rapid narrowing of the production gap between China and India. From iPhone 14 to 16, the production lag has vanished, with India now participating in new product introductions. This trajectory continues with the iPhone 17. India is poised to become Apple's primary iPhone sourcing location for the US by 2026. Stay tuned to Zoe for more groundbreaking updates.